Kelly Shaffner here with my scissors. I have a Natalie Attired to unbox and share with you today, but I also have a little bonus, my Fair Trade Friday Earring of the Month Club. This is going to be short and sweet. Let me get into it really quickly. Okay, let's see if I can get into it. I don't want to cut anything. Okay. The Fair Trade Friday is Earrings of the Month Club, and I will leave all the information if you are interested in joining this club and getting a set of earrings every single month at a truly very affordable price tag. Check these out. These are my December earrings, and they come wrapped in this brown paper bag. I'm gonna have to rip it. And inside, they are wrapped once again. And, oh, look how cool that is. So this is almost like, this is like textured paper. And what do we have? These are, oh, these are cool. A mixed metal earring. Designed to support the economy of Bangladesh and to tread lightly on the earth, handmade from locally sourced material. So those are my earrings. I will put them on. You'll see them in the try-on. Moving on to my Natalie Attired, I did just cut this open. So Natalie Attired is a subscription style service. I receive this on a monthly basis. I do have a stylist that puts together a box. I will have 5 pieces of clothing or accessories in this box. There is a $20 styling fee. That fee comes off of anything that I keep. I can try this in the comfort of my own home. I can share it with you and decide what I want to keep. I'll send anything that doesn't work for me back in a prepaid mailing envelope, which is enclosed in this box. If you need more information about Natalie Attired, or if you want to try it for yourself, there is a link in the description box below. And there is the inside of the box. Isn't it beautiful? It always comes wrapped so beautifully. And on the top is an invoice right here. I'm not going to look at that. There is also a note from my stylist, and this is a handwritten note. I'm going to do my best to read it. She says, "Hi Kelly, I chose a few tops to go with the brick pants." I think those hopefully were the pants that she sent last time. "The striped top and blue sweater will be cute layered with the jeans. The red sweater will also be great and cozy over the striped shirts. Happy holidays from Annie." I did keep a pair of brick red Liverpool pants that I received in my last Natalie Attired. So here is that prepaid mailer. If I have to use it, if all 5 pieces don't work, then I'll send back anything that doesn't work. Okay, let me get this bundle out. All right. Here is the bundle. Ooh, look at that. Oh my gosh. That almost feels like a chenille yarn. Oh, which is incredibly soft. I like the red. Red is my favorite color. I wear it year round. Okay, the first piece on the very top is Renee C. This is my favorite Renee C top that I have received recently. Now, it does have a 3/4 sleeve. There is no elastic there. What does the neckline look like? It looks like a bit of a V-neck. So this is just a popover with a fun floral print. I like this one. This is the one I think I love. Oh my goodness, this feels so incredibly soft. Now, this looks like a loose weave, and that's not my favorite because I do have rambunctious puppies. Oh my gosh, this feels incredible. This is by the brand Miracle, and so this is just a chunky sweater, bit of a scoop V-neck kind of, so I like that. Okay, let's see. We have a teal colored sweater. Oh no, this is is it connected? No, this is 2 pieces. So there is a teal colored sweater here, and this sweater is by the brand, oh gosh, I can't even read it. Let me see. By the brand BECOOL, and it is a V-neck sweater. It looks to be cropped. not my favorite. It is V-neck. And then underneath, I'm going to take these out. Underneath, we have Always and Forever, a button-up top in it's a brick red and cream colored button-up, no pockets, does have hidden buttons, so that's nice. I don't know. I'm just not wowed by either of those, but I look forward to trying it. No, they sent more brick colored pants. In fact, these are the exact brick. No, they're not. No, they're not. These are brick colored pants by Just Black. These look so very similar to the ones that Stitch Fix just sent me that I did not keep. They were Just Black as well. These do have a step hem on them. So that's what makes these different. And I'm going to try these on. We'll see how they look. I'm not going to keep these. I have an abundance of red pants, and I did get a pair of brick red pants, Liverpool. I thought I got them from Natalie Attired. I might be mistaken. And those are the brick red pants that are going to serve me through this winter season. So even though I do kind of like the step hem, they look really cute with booties. I don't need any more of these, but oh goodness. Okay, that's all. That's 5 pieces. Yeah, let me try everything on and I'll be right back with my thoughts. Everything has been tried on. There are some surprises in this box. Now I'm looking at the invoice and the total of all 5 pieces is $256. The most expensive thing is only $79 and the least expensive is $35. So it's really in my price range, and I appreciate that about Natalie Attired, keeping everything at my preferred price points. Now, Natalie Attired does offer some really fabulous discounts, and let's see, your $20 styling fee is applied to anything you keep. So if you keep 1 piece, you get that $20 credited towards that purchase. But if you keep 3 or 4 pieces, you get a 20% discount. If I was to keep all 5 pieces, I would get a 30% discount, which would bring the box total to $165.20. That is including my styling fee. Let's start with the denim, the Just Black brick red denim with the step hem. I love these. These are $79. I like them a lot. I always appreciate a little hem detail with my denims, and I know that Annie, my stylist, knows that. If I didn't have a pair, I would keep these. They felt wonderful. I do like the step hem. It's really nice to showcase a fun booty. I know you guys have seen a lot of my python booties because I'm really enjoying them. These pants would go perfectly with them, but I don't need these. So I am going to send these back. I am being very mindful of what I add to my closet now, so I'm kind of proud of myself for doing that, because I would have kept these last year just because I liked the way they felt once I put them on. The price at $79 is a great price tag, but I'm going to send them back because I have discipline. This piece is the least expensive thing in the box. This is the button up by Always and Forever, and it's in a really great print. I like this stripe. This is 100% cotton. This is the stripe top, I guess, and it also has a tab sleeve. I didn't even notice that. So I would never wear it tabbed because I'm up to here with tab sleeves. I think this one fit a little bit small. This is 100% cotton. So I suspect it will shrink. Even with special care in the wash, 100% cotton often shrinks. I like the colors on this. I think it's a little bit too small. The sleeves felt like they were a bit short, and the length felt like it was a bit short on me. I would just prefer a little extra length on both the sleeve and the length. What did you think? Other than that, I like the color of this muted brick red color, and I think this is fun. I think this is great for under sweaters, like my stylist had kind of planned it for me. She styled the sweaters with this top. This goes beautifully with the brick red pants, but I didn't like the fit on this, so I'm going to send this one back by Always and Forever. Moving on to the sweaters. First, we'll talk about the teal sweater. My camera is picking this up more of a blue color, but trust me, this is teal and it is a V-neck and it is cropped. And I felt like it really was kind of shapeless, boxy crop. What did you think about this sweater over the stripe, the mixing of the colors, the red and the cream and the teal color? I think it was very interesting. It's something I would like to play with in the future, but this sweater is not for me. Even at that crop length, I feel like this is a very shapeless sweater for me. I have a very, very difficult time wearing oversized clothing. I feel like I look sloppy in it. And we went through this last year. If you've been following me for any length of time, I am dying to wear an oversized sweater because I think they look beautiful on other women. I just don't think they look that great on me. This sweater is by BECOOL. This one is only $39. I'm sending it back. I'm just not happy with the way it fits me, even with the button-up underneath. Had the button-up been longer, I still don't think I would have liked this. Now here's the surprise. The red chenille sweater by the brand Miracle. Oh, this was an odd fit on me. This is an odd shaped oversized sweater. She did send this in a small medium and it feels very, very oversized. I do think that it actually fit better with the button up underneath because I did try it with just a tank underneath. This is one that could be worn off the shoulder. I don't know about this hemline. Oh, look, we have a string hanging there, but this hemline, and just, it felt like it was just a really odd shape around the, I'm going to call it a hemline. It also, what did you think? Please give me your honest opinions. This is, I'll tell you, this is a piece. If I was in the store and I saw this and I felt this, I would buy this and bring it home without even trying it on. So I'm very, very thankful that I got to try it on because I don't think the cut and the style of this sweater works on me. Any way that I tried to make it work, and I just don't think it works on me, and I'm disappointed because the texture of this sweater is heavenly. This sweater is $59, and sadly, I have to send this back. I just don't think it works for me, but I'm curious to hear what you think about this one. Please leave it in the comments below. Am I crazy? Should I keep this one? You know I want to keep this one. The last piece in my box is this floral top. This is a polyester pop-over top by Renee C, and this fun floral print. It's got brown, it's got blue, it's got turquoise, it's got coral, it's got some even burgundy color flowers on it. I love this piece. This one is $44. I put it on and I was looking at the colors, and I have cardigans in every single color of this top. So I could wear this top numerous times, switch it up with a cardigan, and create several different outfits with this one fun top. So I think this is a really great option to add to my wardrobe. And I also like that the sleeves don't have elastic, so they're not going to leave a mark on my arm. We do have the rounded hemline here. This is very lightweight, and it can be worn comfortably underneath a cardigan. This one is a sure thing. I'm going to keep this one. I will utilize my styling fee on this blouse. The Renee C top is going to be the one and only piece that I keep from this collection, and I'm surprised because I truly thought when I unboxed this collection that I would be keeping the chenille sweater as well. But the cropped and oversized sweaters, not seldom, they never work for me, and I have been trying to make them work. If there are any pieces in this collection that you especially like, be sure and reach out to your stylist at Natalie Attired and let them know that you want to try them. They are very accommodating at Natalie Attired. Now, the last thing I want to talk about is my new earrings. Here they are. What do you think about these? I think they're pretty special. I love supporting the Fair Trade Friday ministry. Actually, I don't support it. My support is by talking about it. My friend Barbie gifts me with this monthly subscription. Thank you very much, Barbie. I love receiving the funky earrings. The only thing I'll say about these, I love mixed metal, so that's really cool. And I like this darker metal as well, just not the typical gold and silver mixed together. So this is a fun color, perfect for fall. The wires on these earrings are a little bit thicker. And I've mentioned in videos way back that when I got my ears pierced, my girlfriend did it with a pin. So my earring holes are not very large, and if the wires are any thicker than, say, a straight pin, I have a difficult time wearing them. So it was a bit of a chore to get them in my ears, but once in, I think they're beautiful. What do you think? Like I said, if you want more information about getting a subscription for yourself, Natalie Attired or Fair Trade Friday, both I have left in the description box below. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. I will see you in the next video. Blessings to all of you.